Hello, this is Jeremy Fox. This is my cross-platform mobile development week 1 reflection video. First of all, the thing I found most valuable was a couple things. One would be Ruby on Rails active record. I'm a big Rails guy, and I actually found that utilizing Ruby on Rails and active record to create all of my data structure for the SQLite database was a huge help for me and made things crazy easy. And then another huge help was this standalone SQLite database browser, which looks very much like what Josh presented to us in the on Monday and in some of the videos. There's also a download link in one of the activities to download like Map'em, I think is what it's called, or something like that. But it's Mac, Apache, PHP, etc., etc. I didn't want to do all that. I didn't honestly want to download Apache. I know it's already on my Mac anyways. Apache's there anyways, but in PHP and all it already comes on there. But I didn't really want to have to go through the hassle of downloading all that extra stuff that I would never use. And the Firefox extension, considering I don't use Firefox. So I did some Googling and I found that that there's a standalone version of it that is just a Mac app. And this is the download link. This is the website right here. It's called the SQLite Database Browser, and it is available on Mac OS 10. This is it running right here. Like I said, it's a standalone app. Once you download it, it will show up as SQLite Database Browser 2.0 B1, which is this guy right here, which is running. So again, this is the download link, sourceforge.net/project/SQLite browser. So that is it. I'd highly encourage any developer to have something like this. It's real handy. But looking at this, you can see I have recreated the iTunes search API. Each search has a results count and an array of results. So in the searches we have a result count, and then we also have results, which each result will be mapped to a specific search. And if we scroll down here, we'll see a couple of the ones that I actually entered in here. So this first one, Abigail Hilton, is the artist name. Let's go browse data and select results. And you'll see right here, Abigail Hilton, the artist view URL, artwork URL 100, collection ID, collection name, yada yada yada, all the way across. And then you'll see search ID right here is what maps it to a specific search. And then we can also take a look at genres, which is what this is right here. And there's also genre IDs. So like each genre in here, there was multiple for each one. So this is mapped to a specific result. So this is the specific result for these ones, which has an ID of 2. This one has an ID of 3, and these ones have an ID of 4. And then same thing with genre ID strings, which is these guys, the genre ID strings. So utilizing this guy, I was able to easily and quickly look in here and see what was all going on. The last thing I would mention that I found really, really helpful is the SQLite 3 command line utility. Using this SQLite 3, if I can spell it right, SQLite 3 utility, I can then target that development or that SQLite database and then just say .dump, and boom, it just instantly spits out the entire SQL dump, and that's what I copied and sent to Josh for the assignment. So all three of those were really, really helpful. What did you find most challenging? Really just finding an API, a public API that I felt like I wanted to use, that would show enough data, if you will, and have like subarrays, like nested arrays and whatnot. Let's see, what would you have done differently if you could? I don't know as if I would have done anything differently. I think everything worked out all right. List a few things that could use more clarification. Nothing right now. Nothing needs more clarification right now. So that's it for now. I hope you find some of these things I've pointed out useful, and thank you for watching.